Hinahanap ko ang Ibong Adarna. Ikaw ba ang Ibong Adarna?
Ako ang Ibong Adarna. Hindi niya alam. Lalo akong kapal.
に頭がいいんですね。頭がいい。先生。呼んでない。
Andito kami ngayon sa Kachouen, sa Kakagawa. At andito si na Mrs. para mag-perform ulit. Katulad ng ginawa nila sa street festival nung nakaraan.
You're the honey drop on the tip of my tongue. You're all the songs I wish I'd sung. You're the ocean side in the middle of July.
We are Korea Stars. Let's enjoy. Are you ready? Come on. Put your time in. Let it coming on the wall. Put your time in. Let it coming on the wall. If you sing right, sing I belong to you. If you sing right, sing I belong to you. If you sing right, sing I belong to you. If you sing right, sing I belong to you. Move this right, move it up, feel it up. Tonight, oh, that's enough, that's enough. Be ready, wonderful Christmas night. That's enough. Be ready, wonderful Christmas night. Happy day, happy day. I'm talking about happy days. Happy day. Come on, I'm talking about happy days. Oh, happy days. Talking about happy days. Oh yeah. I know I'm talking about happy days. Oh yeah. Sing it, sing it, yeah, yeah. Oh, happy day. ありがとうございます。もうすぐクリスマスですね。ということで、
あっちのあそこ見てないとこあるんだけど、行ってきたらまた見る。花はさっきは見たいって言ったけど。
おめでとう。Didn't even take a picture together over there. Hindi sinabi ni Mrs. mga plano niya ngayon eh, kaya naggagahol na kami sa oras. Picture na lang namin to. Screenshot na lang namin mamaya. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Okay.
お抱きご希望のお客様、右手の壁沿い、ロープチェーン沿いにお並びになってお待ちください。
You're my favorite part. Every single day, every single way. So why don't you stay? I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting for you. My, I'm singing to the open sky. Oh my dear, I'm hoping you can hear. And oh my love, you're the only one I'm thinking of. I will love you for a million years. Woo-hoo.
ハリソン銀次くんです。よろしくお願いします。
Sakto na abutan namin yung bird show.
かわいいですよね。すごくかわいいです。
本当にね、全然遊んでまいります。これがね、のんびりの名前の願いでね。そのように、見た目とかあとは鳴き声です。鳴き声。カラカラって言うんです。鳴き声の聞こえ方がカラカラ。お近くの方分かりますか？ほぼ90度に曲がってます。
いっぱい釣ったよ。
残念ながらこの上段切りだけで相手を仕留めきることはね、できないんですね。
Nagbabayad pala ng 3,000 yen si Mrs. para doon sa group na sinalihan niya. para yun dun sa nagtuturo sa kanila. Sabi ko nung una, sabi bakit ka pa kailangan magbayad? Kayo na nga yung nagpa-perform bago kayo pa yung magbabayad. Pero kailangan pala nila magbayad para dun sa nagtuturo sa kanila kasi siya yung mismo nag-a-arrange yung mga kantang kinakanta nila. Kaya okay lang. Ganda dito, ngayon ako nakita ng mga flamingo. Nakaalis na si Mrs. Sayang, napakaganda sa lugar na to. In-expect ko after nila kumanta, makakapag-lunch kami together, tsaka makakapag-gala-gala dito, makakapag-picture kami. Pero yun na, malis na sila, nag-lunch na sila kasama yung mga ibang members ng group nila. And magkakaraoke din sila at the same time. So ngayon, naiwan kami ng anak ko tsaka ng bilang ko. Kami na lang magagala dito.
My dear, I'm hoping you can hear. And oh my love, you're the only one I'm thinking of. I will love you for a million years. A million years. $1,000,000 couldn't keep me from you, baby. There's no
Sa wakas, nakita ko na ata ang Ibong Adarna.
And I don't wanna ever leave you, don't you know that all I need is you.
Naiwan ko yung GoPro ko pero buti na lang andun pa rin. Malatakeshis Castle tong isang to.
Oh my, I'm singing to the open sky. Oh my dear, I'm hoping you can hear. And oh my love, you're the only one I'm thinking of. And I will love you for. I will love you for. I will love you for.
Okay, uwi na. Kita-kita sa susunod na vlog, guys.